I bet you didn't know you can use your interior detailer on exterior plastics like this side view mirror on this Crown Victoria. What I've got here with me is Carbon Collective Nuovo. And the way you use this on the exterior is shake up the bottle and spray one spray into your towel or applicator, and then just go to applying it. And you'll see that it goes on real easy, uh, darkens up the plastic real nice, and you can also use it on like your engine bay plastics. Works really great on that too. So just see how nice of a satin finish it gives this side view mirror, and it should last for a while. But one spray goes a long way, and just another way that you can use Carbon Collective Nuovo, so it's not just a one-trick pony for interior. It works really well on all your exterior trim. So just want to show you guys that, and I'll do a before and after here real quick so you can see what it looks like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.